Hi, I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out. Welcome back to our channel. We're all about tasty food made easy. Today we're going to make a doner kebab pita pizza. For this recipe we use our doner kebab red sauce, but you can use any regular pizza sauce or tomato sauce if you wish. Start by placing a pita bread on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Then spread 2 tablespoons of doner kebab red sauce on the pita. Then sprinkle a half to 3/4 cup shredded mozzarella cheese on top. And lastly, add a 1/4 to 1/3 cup of doner kebab meat that you cut into 2-inch squares. That's about 2 to 3 strips of meat. Then bake in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 6 minutes until the cheese is melted. When the pizza is done, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of doner kebab sauce on top. We use a culinary squeeze bottle for that. And there you have it. A Kebab Pita pizza. You can find the recipe for the doner kebab spice blend, the doner kebab red sauce, the doner kebab meat, and the doner kebab sauce on our website and on our YouTube channel. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.